In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take partial profit in TradingView. Let's start by opening TradingView and confirming the paper position. In your browser, go to tradingview.com/chart with the trade now equals paper parameter, which opens up Supercharts directly in paper trading mode. Once the chart loads, confirm that the symbol displayed is BTCUSD. This is the position we're going to partially close, so it's important the right market is loaded before going any further. Next, look at the bottom of the screen and confirm that paper trading is connected in the Account Manager area. The connection status needs to be active so your orders can go through. Now let's open the Positions tab. If the Account Manager panel at the bottom is collapsed, click on Account Manager to expand it. Once it's open, click on Positions inside the Account Manager, then locate the BTCUSD position row in the list. We're now ready to start closing only part of the position. On the far right side of the BTCUSD position row, click the X or the Close control. Wait for the Close Position window to appear on your screen. Inside that window, select the Partial Close option. This tells TradingView that you only want to exit a portion of the trade, not the entire position. Now it's time to enter the partial close amount. Click on the Quantity field in the Partial Close area. Select the existing quantity that's already filled in. Then, type the smaller quantity you want to close. In this example, the value being used is 0.01, so go ahead and enter that number into the field. Before confirming, double-check that the window still shows partial close and not full close, so you don't accidentally exit the entire trade. Now let's confirm the partial profit action. Click Partially Closed Position inside the Closed Position window. Wait a moment for the position row to update on the screen. Once it refreshes, confirm that the BTCUSD row still appears in the Positions tab, but with a smaller remaining quantity, around 0.01. The BTCUSD paper position is now only partly closed. The Positions tab still shows the remaining part of the trade, and the original quantity has dropped from about 0.02 down to about 0.01. Congratulations!